Hello, welcome to another tutorial. This is going to be a quick one, and this is another tutorial showing you how to use chords. Alright, so the way you play chords would make your play nicer. Alright, how you use them is very important. So in the key of let me change it. Yeah, A flat. Okay, we're going to be playing A flat, or let's say G sharp. All right, if we're going to be playing A flat like this, this is a minor 7, which is a chord 6. Okay, but I could play this chord 6 on 4 before I come and play it on the 6. And then I like us to be using extensions. So this is a normal chord. Okay, most of the time try using the extensions like the 7th or the 9th or the 13th or the 11th. Okay, so this is an extension. You play it over 4, and then you hold them, then you do a 5 in a suspended form. And most of the time when you're playing alone and you're playing the strings behind, like what I'm doing, you can maintain this whilst the others are playing. So you see, I'm still playing the E flat. So you can play a 6 over 4 and then a 6 over 6. I hope that is good. You can also play a 1 over 1 and then you play 1 over 6. You get a minor 11. That is if you're playing the add 9 and then you add your 6 on the left, it becomes a minor 11. So with just one chord, you can play it over the left and create another chord with it. That's the same thing for the minor, this is a chord 4, and then the same thing for chord 6. It's just a movement of the left. For example, you could play 2 like this. It's a minor 7. You can play 2 over 5. So it becomes a 5, and then a song. All right. Then 2. Then 2 over 5, and then back to 1. You could also play this same 2 over into a 4. Alright, but the 6 with on a 4, this is 6, and then a 4 is most of the time nicer. Let me try another key. Yeah, you could be any key. This is 6. So let's see. Oh, this so yeah. So you play. I'm playing key D, Daniel. Then back to 6, and then a 5 suspended. Then back. I did a full on the left, so right, then yeah. So any chord can do. This is 7, so you do it on a. This is a 4 in the key of F sharp, then back to 6, and let's see. Alright, so see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.